Hey guys, so a few days ago one of our members sent a message to the group telling us about this event happening in northwest Ocala at Gilbert's Hardware. So a few of us decided to go up there, check it out, and show our cars. Here we have Jim arriving at the event. He's got a beautiful 69. You should see this car in person. But anyway, this video is about our cars and some of the cars that were there, and I hope you enjoyed. And this is Tom's 1967 Stingray. I know it's not a C3, but who cares? We're a very relaxed environment when it comes to Corvettes. This one is Bob's 1973 Corvette Stingray. And this one is a 1981 Corvette, I believe. The guy is from Inverness, but he came over to Ocala and joined us at the event. And this is our C3 lineup. I know, there's a C2 in the mix, but I guess we're really bad with numbers, especially when cars are so beautiful. So anyway, at the very end we have John's, I'm pretty sure that's a 1981. He's from Inverness. And next to him is Bob from Crystal River. That's a yellow metallic 1973 Roadster. Next we have Tom's 1967. He lives out in Silver Springs. Then we have Jim's blue 1969. Le Mans blue, I should say. He's from Ocala. That's my lipstick red, as I like to call it, 1976 Corvette. And now I'm going to bring you guys along for a walk around the field so you can get a glimpse of some of the vehicles that were there. Anyway, so that's pretty much it. It was getting a little warm by mid-morning, and some of us left kind of earlier before the event ended because I was going, and so was Tom, we were going to attend the Leesburg evening cruise. So I just wanted to go home and chill for a few minutes before heading out to Leesburg. But anyway, here's our little lineup again. The sun was kind of low, so forgive the reflections. I couldn't even see the screen while I was shooting some of the videos, so that's why sometimes it gets a little bit off of frame. But anyway, it was a great event. Everybody had a great time, and we were glad to meet John there with his 81. We're always trying to recruit new C3 owners. And this last picture was sent to me by Tom, who kind of enhanced it a little bit. So here's our lineup. You can see most of the cars there, except John's at the very end. But anyway, I thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.